Nanjing GSmach Extrusion Equipment Corporation is a professional stone paper machinery manufacturer. In this video, the general running process of the whole line include the stone paper granules making machine and the stone paper casting line will be completely shown to you. Firstly, let's start from the stone paper granules making machine. The technology flow is mixing calcium carbonate powder, polyethylene, polypropylene, and adjectives with a certain proportion of high pressure density, together through extrusion, hot cutting, and cooling process, finally to be able to manufacture the high-filling, high decentralized granules for stone paper raw material using. Granulation parts are included with needle, conveyor, initial force feeder, two-stage extruder, and water ring hot cutting line. All the raw material PP, PE, calcium carbonate powder will be fed together into the middle device through high-temperature mixing and sealing process. Material will turn to the large compound door form slowly and evenly. Through conveyor, the compound door will be conveying into the twin screw force feeder automatically. Twin screw force feeder will ensure the higher output and better feeding performance. Here comes to two-stage extruder. Through 75 twin screw extruder, material will be mixed and fully plasticized. Adopts of Siemens Beide motor. Material then passed from the two-stage link, then to 180 single screw extruder. Realize stabilize extrusion, solidify the granules. The machine is controlled by PLC touch screen panel. Finally is cutting auxiliary. Adopts water ring hot phase catalyzer, diversion change, centrifugal dewatering, vibration sieve to select the granules. Through blower to silo to finally store the granules. The second part is the stone paper casting line, feeding and heating the manufactured stone paper granules into the casting line's extruder to the melting state. Extruded a thin film from the T-die mold. After a series of longitudinal stretching, rolling, compound forming, thickness measuring, surface treating and winding, final stone paper in roll form will be manufactured. Stone paper casting line extruder and platform. Upstairs, composites of two-stage single screw extruder. The manufactured stone paper granules will be fed into the insulation transition drying hopper by the vacuum loading system. Extruder adopts of Siemens Beide motor. The connected cables will be kept into the cable tank. Two-stage extruder composites of a 120 diameter single screw extruder and an 80 diameter single screw extruder. Through the spring exchanger and the melter pump to extrude the AB structure two-layer stone paper. Downstairs is unwinding machine. Here is the Siemens PLC operating station. Chiller will be connected with the calendar roller to cool down the temperature. Melt pump is used to guarantee the continuous pressure and maintain the pressure. Adopts special designed T-die mold for stone paper material extrusion. Calendar compounding forming device. The extruded paper material will flow onto the calendar rollers from the die head, get temperature cooled down, and forming the final paper. Continuous paper manufacturing process is being shown. Draw XY online thickness measuring device to measure the thickness of the paper. It will scan the whole area of the manufactured stone paper and show the current data on its screen. Longitudinal stretching device, which is also called MOD device. By longitudinal stretching, you can be able to get the very thin and even quality paper, and adjust the paper density as well. Total include 5 units, 1 unit for preheating function, 3 units for stretching, and 1 unit for cooling function. Double-sided corona for the treatment of the paper surfaces. The final paper can be able to do other after-processed methods like coating and printing usage. LED light device. Under the light can be able to check the paper quality clearly. H material cutting devices to automatic cut and recycle the H material. Those recycled material can be reused for future production. Double station automatic traction winding machine. The final roll will be manufactured. Machine electric cabinet. Adopts of ABB frequency. Bronze Schneider switches. And Siemens Beide brand for communicating system and PLC control system.